NCERT Class 6 Chapter 1 Topic 1.4 Using Brackets. Suman bought 6 notebooks and Sama bought 7 notebooks. Both paid at cost ₹10 per notebook. Find total money they paid. Now, this question was solved by two people. Seema calculated 6 multiplied by 10 plus 7 multiplied by 10, which gives 60 plus 70 equal to 130. Now, Meera calculated 6 plus 7 equal to 13. Then 13 multiplied by 10, which is equal to 130. Both calculated and reached to the same answer. But if we see the method of solution by Seema, then what we see it that 6 plus 7 multiplied by 10. Now, which we solve as 13 multiplied by 10 equal to 130. But someone may solve this like 6 plus, and they multiply 7 and 10 first, then it becomes 70 and the answer becomes 76. So, to avoid some such confusion, what we do, we use brackets. So what should we do? By using brackets, what we should do, we can avoid the confusion. So instead of doing 6 plus 7 multiplied by 10, we will keep the 6 plus 7 into bracket, and then we will multiply it by 10, and then we will solve the bracket first. So this becomes 13 on solving bracket, 6 plus 7 13, and then multiply by 10. This gives us 130. So there is no confusion if we use the brackets. Now we go to topic 1.4.1 Expanding brackets. We use the brackets to make our calculations easy as well as systematic. So we will learn it by some examples. Our first example is 7 multiplied by 109. So what we do, 7 multiplied by 109 is split into two parts. 100 plus 9. Now this gives us 7 multiplied by 100, which is 700, plus 9 multiplied by 7, which gives us 63, this gives us 763. We will go to one more some question. 102 multiplied by 103. So how can you use the bracket here? We make 102 as 100 plus 2 in one bracket multiplied by 103 as 100 plus 3 in the another bracket, and then we solve. So first we multiply 100 multiplied by 100. This 100 is multiplied by this 100. Then we do this 100 this is multiplied by 2 plus 2 multiplied by 100 plus, now this 3 is multiplied by the 100 of first bracket, 100 multiplied by 3 plus this 3 is multiplied by the 2 of the first bracket, 2 multiplied by 3. Now $100 multiplied by 100 gives us 10,000 plus 2 multiplied by 100 gives us 200 plus 100 multiplied by 3 gives us 300 plus 2 multiplied by 3 gives us 6. And the answer comes out to be 10,506. We go to one more example of using brackets. 17 multiplied by 109. So 17 is split into two parts, 10 plus 7 multiplied by 109 becomes 100 plus 9 in the second bracket. This we can solve. 10 multiplied by 100 plus 9 plus 7 multiplied by 100 plus 9. Now we solve this. So what we get? 10 multiplied by 100, we get 1000 plus 10 multiplied by 9, we get 90 plus 7 multiplied by 100, we get 700 plus 7 multiplied by 9, we get 63. This gives us 1853. This way, by using the brackets, we can make our calculations systematic, easy, and without any confusion of calculations.